I'm Kevin Williams, and I'm on a mission to explain why science matters to motorcyclists via my 60-second science short video series. Riding along on the bike, we tend to forget that the pleasant and refreshing breeze that we're feeling is keeping us cool by evaporating sweat from our skin, and that means we're steadily losing the water in our body. And the better our riding kit is at keeping us cool, the more sweat we're evaporating. Here's the key point. Thirst is the body's early warning system that we're already mildly dehydrated. When our body loses between 1 and 2% of its water content, the brain triggers the thirst response. This means thirst lags behind our actual fluid needs. How much fluid we lose isn't consistent. A person who perspires heavily will need to drink more than someone who doesn't. Certain medical conditions such as diabetes or heart disease may also mean we need to drink more water. Older adults are also at higher risk of dehydration, as age means we're less sensitive to dehydration and may not even feel thirsty. And some medications can act as diuretics, causing the body to lose more fluid. And dehydration doesn't just mean a thirst. It impacts our cognitive abilities. We feel fatigued and our reactions slow, and we likely develop a headache. So don't wait until you're thirsty. Drink water regularly, especially in the heat of the day when enjoying an activity like motorcycling.